Most businesses will be obsolete in 3 years. Not because they lack talent or resources, but because they're still operating like it's 2020. After testing over 500 AI solutions across multiple companies, I've discovered something critical. The gap between AI-powered businesses and traditional ones isn't just growing, it's becoming insurmountable. These 7 tools are the difference between scaling exponentially and getting left behind. Here's the uncomfortable truth: working harder won't make you richer anymore. The new wealth equation is simple. Leverage AI to work smarter, move faster, and scale without limitations. This isn't another generic AI tutorial filled with ChatGPT basics. These are tested tools currently generating real revenue across multiple industries. Each one solves a specific bottleneck that's costing businesses thousands daily. By the end of this breakdown, you'll have a blueprint to automate operations, accelerate growth, and create competitive advantages that are nearly impossible to replicate. Tool number 1. Let's start with meetings because they're where productivity goes to die. Traditional AI note-takers have a fatal flaw: they announce themselves by joining your calls. That awkward recording bot has entered the meeting, message kills authentic conversation instantly. Granola operates differently. It captures audio locally on your device, meaning nobody knows it's recording. This preserves natural dialogue while still capturing every detail. But here's where it gets powerful. Unlike passive transcription tools, Granola merges your real-time notes with AI-generated transcripts. You type key points during the conversation, and afterwards, the AI enriches those notes with context, quotes, and action items. The real game changer is the searchable memory system. Ask it to surface every discussion about pricing strategies across 6 months of meetings, and it delivers instantly. This transforms scattered conversations into accessible institutional knowledge. For teams conducting dozens of weekly calls, this alone saves hours of searching through old notes and recordings. The implementation is simple. Install the app, take notes as you normally would during meetings, and let the AI handle the synthesis afterwards. Your meeting intelligence compounds over time, creating a searchable database of every strategic discussion. Tool number 2, N8N, the automation powerhouse. Automation separates scaling businesses from stagnant ones. N8N is a workflow automation platform that connects your entire tech stack and makes intelligent routing decisions using AI. The beauty is in scalability. These workflows run 24/7 without adding headcount. Here's a complete onboarding automation that runs across multiple companies. When payment processes, it triggers immediate CRM entry. Simultaneously, a personalized welcome email deploys based on captured customer data. Within minutes, an intake form request sends out. But here's the evolution. Instead of forms, AI voice agents can conduct this interview conversationally over the phone. Then, with intelligently follows-up sequences, monitor completion rates and send targeted reminders only for uncompleted steps. Finally, it schedules an onboarding call with a team member and automatically generates a customized presentation based on their intake responses. The sales rep shows up with a personalized deck already built. This entire sequence, which traditionally required multiple team members and several days, now executes in hours without human intervention. That's not efficiency, that's transformation. For those finding N8N too advanced initially, Make.com offers a more accessible entry point, while Zapier provides the most established platform. OpenAI's recent agent builder also deserves attention as these tools continue simplifying. The key is starting somewhere. Pick the platform matching your technical comfort level and begin automating immediately. Bonus tip: N8N has an open-source community edition, which you can self-host at no software cost. Tool number 3. Do you know that development bottlenecks kill momentum? Lovable eliminates them entirely by building functional applications from text prompts in any language. Imagine this scenario. You're running a social media marketing agency and need a landing page specifically for plumbers in the Midwest. Previously, this meant briefing a developer, waiting days for mockups, rounds of revisions, then finally deployment. Now you simply type, "Build a landing page for a social media marketing agency targeting plumbers in the Midwest." Hit enter. The page builds instantly. Need payment processing? Add the instruction. Integrate Stripe for deposit collection. Want lead capture? Request. Add a form collecting business details and service needs. Each addition takes seconds. You test, refine, and deploy, all within the same session. This isn't about replacing developers for complex systems. It's about removing friction for the hundreds of smaller builds that slow business operations. Landing pages, internal tools, customer portals, simple workflows, all can now be prototyped and deployed at the speed of ideas. The competitive advantage is timing. While competitors spend weeks in development cycles, businesses using Lovable test new approaches daily. Speed of execution becomes the differentiator. Tool number 4, Atlas. The tireless sales engine. Speed with potential leads determines conversion rates more than almost any other factor. The faster you contact an interested prospect, the less time they have to explore alternatives. Atlas handles this with AI voice agents that call leads instantly after form submission. These agents qualify prospects, handle objections, and book meetings, 24/7 without breaks, bad days, or inconsistent performance. Here's what makes this remarkable. The voice quality is now indistinguishable from human conversation. During demonstrations, people routinely fail to recognize they're speaking with AI. The agents check calendar availability in real time, negotiate scheduling conflicts, and even call back if someone disconnects before confirming an appointment. The implementation changes sales dynamics fundamentally. Instead of leads entering a queue where they might wait hours or days for contact, they receive an immediate call while intent is highest. The AI pre-qualifies them using consistent criteria, so human sales reps only speak with properly vetted prospects. This dramatically increases close rates while reducing wasted time on unqualified leads. The psychological shift also matters. Customers feel prioritized when contacted within seconds of expressing interest. That perception alone improves conversion before any actual sales conversation begins. Tool number 5, 11 Lab. Content production bottlenecks limit growth for creator-led businesses. Voice cloning removes those constraints. 11 Labs creates AI replicas of your voice indistinguishable from the original. This enables previously impossible workflows. Editors can fix pronunciation errors without studio reshoots. Content teams can generate audio for new scripts without recording sessions. Customer communications can use your voice at scale. The practical application transforms content operations. Take, for example, a real estate agent creates one clean voice sample, then has their editor produce property walk-throughs using the AI voice paired with existing footage. The agent never steps on camera, yet prospects hear personalized commentary for each listing. For businesses built around personal expertise, this multiplies output without sacrificing authenticity. Course creators can update modules without re-recording. Agency owners can produce client-specific video messages in bulk. Podcast hosts can generate promotional clips without additional recording sessions. The quality threshold has crossed into genuine utility. These aren't robotic approximations. They're convincing replications that maintain your vocal characteristics and speech patterns. Tool number 6, Hagen. The resistance to AI avatars typically stems from quality concerns and authenticity questions. Both objections are becoming outdated. Hagen creates video avatars that speak any script in your voice and style. The current applications are specific but powerful. Content creation without filming, multilingual videos without translation barriers, and scaled personalized video messages. Here's the straightforward workflow. Write a script using ChatGPT addressing a specific customer pain point. Import that script into HeyGen, select your avatar and language. Then export a ready-to-publish video. Your editors execute this entire process without requiring your filming time. The cultural shift matters. Younger audiences raised on animated content care more about value than production medium. As quality continues improving, the distinction between filmed and generated content will become irrelevant. What matters is whether the information helps. Early adopters are building content volume advantages. While others limit output to what they can personally film, AI-assisted creators are publishing daily across multiple platforms. That volume compounds into algorithmic advantages and audience growth that becomes increasingly difficult to overcome. This final tool is a common tool, but this feature is the most underutilized ever. Tool number 7, Chat Voice Mode, your AI strategic partner. Voice Mode transforms ChatGPT from a text tool into a verbal thought partner accessible anywhere. The application is profound. Just imagine during a run. You can speak through a complex strategic decision with Chat. The AI asks clarifying questions, identifies assumptions, presents alternative frameworks, and helps reach clarity. It functions as an always available advisor without judgment or ego. For maximum effectiveness, establish parameters up front such as challenge my thinking. Ask hard questions. Don't accept surface-level responses. Present a business challenge while specifying TOC framework. The AI identifies bottlenecks through targeted questions and provide your actual data and constraints you can. Request 5 potential solutions ranked by implementation speed and resource requirements. This process, which might take weeks of consultant meetings, happens during a 30-minute walk. The quality, as with most AI tools, quality depends on prompt specificity. Vague questions produce generic answers, but well-structured prompts yield genuinely useful strategic guidance. 7 tools. 7 capabilities that can fundamentally change how your business operates. Here is my final bonus tip. The strategy isn't implementing all of them immediately, it's choosing one this week and actually shipping it. Block 90 minutes on your calendar, pick the tool addressing your biggest current bottleneck and deploy it. Stack these wins weekly. Each implementation compounds with others. Revenue grows while your time investment decreases. That's the actual transformation, not working harder but building systems that work for you. The future isn't AI versus traditional business. It's AI-powered companies versus everyone else. In 3 years there will be clear winners. They'll be the businesses that decided today to become AI-first operations. The question isn't whether to adopt these tools, it's whether you'll adopt them before your competitors do. Choose one tool. Work on it this week. Then come back and do it again. That's how you build an unstoppable business in the AI era. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to use these tools, comment the AI tool below and I will show you how. If this video proved useful, please like, share and subscribe for more. I will be posting videos on useful AI tools and how to make money online every day. Thank you.